All right, so for problem number 4, and I'll slide this, or problem number 5, I'm sorry. Let me get you started on these because they're not different, but it's kind of different. So remember that the acceleration is the change in velocity over the change in time. So what's the change in velocity? Well, this is our final velocity, right? And this is our initial velocity. So we're going to say 12 minus 0, right? And then this is our change in time, because this is technically our final time. What's our initial time if you guys were to guess? 0. So you could say 4 minus 0. Well, it ends up being 12 over 4. So what is that? 3. It's 3 meters per second squared. Okay? That's problem number 5. I'm just going to crank through a couple of these, and then I'll give you some time to do it on your own. One last one I'll do with you, and then I'll give you more time. So we have a bullet hits the water slowing from 1,244 meters per second. So that's the initial velocity, right? To 1 meter per second. That's the final velocity. And then we'll just call this delta t because the initial time is always going to be 0. This minus 0 will just be this. So that's delta t. What's the acceleration? Well, the acceleration is equal to delta v all over delta t. So I'm going to have 1244 minus 1 all over 0.4. And this will be meters per second, and this will be seconds. So we're going to have to do the calculator. I'll do the first part. I'll do the first part. 1244 minus 1 is 1243. Yeah, no, I was trying to be funny though. 1243 divided by 0.4. Now it's going to be a really big number. Wait, I made a mistake. Did you guys see my mistake?
No. You put a 0. 0.4.
No. Well, I'm going to write the answer down. It's going to be negative. Oh, shoot, I broke it. This should, on your paper, you're going to have to fix it. I can't fix it right now because my computer locked up. But this should be 1 minus 1244, right? Because it's the final minus the initial. It's the same answer, it's just it's going to be a negative answer. It should be negative 3107.5. Let me try this. I saved it. Let's see if we can open it back up. I'll try to put the right answer in there. It's staying in the video. Life happens. Mistakes are made. Towards the bottom. Where am I at? Here? Here? Here. Oops, I went too far. Oops, right here. Nope, this one. All right. So, here's what I was saying. I don't know if you guys picked up on what I was saying. This is wrong. Remember that it is the delta V is equal to V final minus V initial. So it should have been 1 minus 1244 all over 0.4. And if we do the math on that, I think it was 317.5, yeah. So it's a negative 30. Oh, it's negative whatever this is. There you go. Can't believe that it locked up again. I really gotta get that fixed. It doesn't like it when I use an outside calculator, which is funny. Yes. Yes, you may. We're going to try this one more time. Negative 3107.5. That's what it was, right? I think I'm going to have to start using the calculator on here. All right. Anyways, that's all I got for you guys today. You guys do the rest on your own if you